All right, y'all. Y'all know that CarLock is a huge sponsor for our channel. They make many great things happen here, but we use them for a reason, and that is we've got really nice cars and we really don't want them stolen. Approximately every 2 minutes in the US, a car is stolen, and well, I don't want that to happen to mine. That's why I have CarLock on my car, and a guy holding the camera right now, who is Jacob, also doesn't want his car stolen. So today, I'm going to show you the different variation of CarLock's device to install on Jacob's Mustang. So if you're curious what it looks like to do a hardwired one like this directly to your battery, I'll post the link to that video down below because we did that to my blue Mustang GT. But Jacob's black Mustang Ecoboost, another project here on the channel, we're going to do the OBD2 splitter and the OBD2 device so that we can just plug and play and go. And on top of that, we're going to go ahead and do the auxiliary vibration sensor as well as the key tag so it doesn't falsely alert whenever he goes to get in his car. So let's get out there and get going on this. So there's the Mustang GT. It's already got its own car lock. I've literally handed Jacob a handful of stuff, and Jacob's going to install this himself. That's how I'm going to prove to you that even if you're not mechanically inclined, you can get this done.
Just
because
kick me while I'm down, why don't you?
Yeah, Jacob could, you know, not chew bubble gum and turn a wrench at the same time, and we'd be better off for it. So literally, we're going to walk up to his car here.
Oh no, you stealing it already.
Pop the door open. Jacob's going to pull that CarLock device out of the box here. We'll get a good look at it real quick. Now, one of the things I want to talk to you about while Jacob's fumbling with that box is that CarLock now sells their devices at Best Buy, which I'm super excited for them because they're a great company. They've been absolutely killing it. And for CarLock to be accepted to sell their devices on Best Buy means a lot. So I'm going to leave a link down below where you can go check out CarLock on Best Buy's website and get a discount through Murphy's Law Garage. Look, I'm going to put it right here. Look, there's Jacob's face. It's right here. Now, you could just plug this straight into the OBD2 port like Jacob is demonstrating to you here. But instead, we're going to grab the splitter cable and Jacob is going to untie it. And what this lets you do, assuming he can figure this out, it allows you to split the signal. Hold on, Jacob. Hold on, Jacob. Hold on, Jacob. It lets you split the signal. Yeah, it would help if you install it correctly. So the side that looks like this gets stuck onto the car, and then the CarLock device can get stuck on right here. Oh, well, I say that any other device you have can get stuck on right here, and then the CarLock device actually ends up getting stuck on this loose end over here. Watch, look. Let me go ahead and hand that to Jacob, and he's gonna make that work. Boom, just like that. Technologica.
Technologia.
And now he's going to take that guy, stick it into the port. Oh, your floor mats are filthy, Jacob.
Hey,
Hey, look, y'all can see up my nose.
I can't find it. Can you give me some pointers here?
Can you not find the hole? You're supposed to be able to pull this off, Jacob. We're in real time here. We're not cutting the film. Can you do it? Yep, turn it that way. There you go. He's gonna get it eventually. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that?
Super fast.
All right, so the next thing we need to do, Jacob, hand me the box over there, is we'd need to power the device on and download the CarLock app. So the box, inside of there's a card. I'm not going to show that card to you because it has Jacob's activation information, but we're going to go ahead and go into the app and we're going to activate our device walking through CarLock's procedure that's in the app. I've done this already on the GT video. I'm not going to bore you with doing it again. I'll also go through all of the features step by step in there. So if you're curious of what that looks like, go watch that video. But real quick, Jacob and I are going to download the CarLock app and we're going to get it installed. All right, and now that Jacob's got the app set up, we're not going to show you that closely because I'm going to dox myself. we can literally just take the OBD2 device and stick it up into just the right place up under the dash.
Oh, vibration detected.
Tuck the wires away. We may have vibrated the car a bit, so it's talking about it. But now we're going to go ahead and install the other two sensors. All right, so I've taken the vibration sensor out of the packet. I've unscrewed it. I'm going to take that plastic tab out of there, and I'm going to go into the app. I'm going to go into the CarLock sensors, and I'm going to hit add a tag and follow the instructions. CarLock's app is amazing, and it's going to walk you through how to do it. In this case, I'm going to let Jacob do it because he is going to figure it out all on his own. All right, and since the CarLock sensor that is actually in the front of the car, I like the idea if you're going to put one of these sensors to go ahead and put it in the rear so it makes it more sensitive. Jake's literally just going to pull that back, stick that sensor up on the trunk right here, throw it on the ground. Maybe you could actually manage to stick that to something. Just like that, boom, and then close it. You see, you can actually mess up just sticking a sensor onto a car. He still did it though. And the last thing we're going to install is this guy, which is the Tag 2.0. What's awesome about this is you put it on your keys, and whenever you approach the car to get in, the car knows you're coming and doesn't set the alarm off. If you don't put this and you don't manually arm and disarm your system using your phone, it's going to think that you're stealing your car. So these are awesome. So I'm going to hand that to Jacob, and he's going to figure that out on his own too. Same process. Look at you shaking that tag. Shake that tail feather. Shake it. Shake it. I'm sure you can't possibly mess this up. You're doing great, Jacob. You're doing great. So just like that, Jacob's already got the tag sensor paired. His keys are in his pocket. And now the car knows to not set off the alarm because Jacob is next to it. In fact, as soon as he paired it, it popped up and said, the alarm system had been disabled. So fantastic. We're going to head back in the shop. Let's talk about this a little more, and then we're going to get out your hair.
So let's start off with the app. It's super easy to use. And listen, I know what you're thinking. JB's right there, but can I do it? Me who doesn't turn any wrenches? Yes. Actually, yes, I can. It was really easy to do. You know, CarLock made it really easy to follow the steps. Everything was really straightforward. There was no, me dropping the car tag, you know. We got it. We got it. But, you know, it was great. It was a really easy process, and the whole thing was just a great peace of mind. And from all the benefits I get with it as well, if, you know, there's a vibration sensor, so if anything happens to my car with the vibration, I know. If the vehicle gets started, I'll get a notification. If for some reason it's disabled, or worst case scenario, if it drives away, I'll know. And it gives me a real peace of mind knowing that, let's say I'm sleeping and I'm like, whoa, what's that noise? Oh no, it's my CarLock alarm. What's going on with my car? I'll go run outside and it's just a raccoon on my car. You know, it's a great peace of mind knowing that the wonderful people at CarLock have given this to us, and we are beyond grateful and thankful.
So that's really just kind of it, right? The point is that
I can do it.
if Jacob can do it, look, there is a stack of parts right here. That's for me to install on Jacob's car. Jacob doesn't do wrench turning. He's getting better, but look, if Jacob can do it, you can do it. And there's nothing complex. It really works well. There's a good reason why Best Buy have picked these guys up, CarLock, and put them on their site. It's because it's a good company, it's a good product, it sells well for good reason. The app, look, I've delved a bit into app development. I won't go deep into that, but I can tell you building an app as seamless as what they've got is really hard. And they really do listen to critiques and all of this other stuff, so they're a great company. If you want to protect your car, go ahead and pick yourself up a CarLock. Again, they're available at Best Buy now. I'm going to put all of the links down below in the description.
Across my face?
I'll stick it across Jacob's face again because apparently he likes it. Y'all go check it out. Y'all go pick one up. And if you pick one up for them using our links, you're helping support us too. So if you're here watching, if you enjoy our content, help a brother out. Help some brothers out. I mean...
I need to pay the state. I need help.
Jacob got a ticket today, so you might help him pay off his ticket for being an idiot. Anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. As usual, we love you. Peace.